Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make columns wider in Canva. If you've ever added a table to your design and felt that the text or numbers look cramped, this simple adjustment will make your layout clearer and easier to read. This is especially useful for product comparison charts, pricing tables, or inventory lists in Shopify graphics, where clarity directly affects how easily customers understand your information. We'll keep it straightforward and practical so you can get it done in seconds. Start by opening your project in Canva and navigating to the page that contains your table. Make sure the table itself is visible on your canvas so you can interact with it directly. You don't need any special tools or menus for this. Everything happens right on the table, which makes it fast and beginner-friendly. Move your cursor over the table and hover along the left or right edge of any column you want to adjust. You're looking for the vertical border between two columns. As you hover right over that border, your cursor will change to a side-to-side resize icon. That change is your cue that you're in the right spot and ready to adjust the width, even if the border itself is very thin. Once you see the cursor change, click and hold on that border. Now drag it outward to make the column wider. You'll see the column expand as you move your mouse, giving more space to the content inside. This is perfect for long product names, descriptions, or price details that need room to breathe. If you go too far, simply drag it back inward to narrow it again until it looks just right. Release the mouse to set the new width. That's the whole process. It's quick and very visual, so you can watch your content reflow in real time. Text will wrap naturally as the column grows, and you'll get a better sense of spacing and hierarchy, helping your most important information stand out. If you need to adjust another column, repeat the same action on its left or right edge. You can fine-tune as much as you like until your table feels balanced and easy to scan from left to right. A few tips to help you get cleaner results. Zoom in a bit if you want more precision while dragging, especially for tight layouts or smaller tables. Keep an eye on any alignment guides that appear. They can help you keep your columns consistent across the table. And remember, you don't have to change every column. Sometimes widening just one key column, like a description or item name, makes the whole table easier to scan and understand. To recap, open your project, go to your table, hover over the column edge until the cursor changes, then click and drag outward to widen. Release to confirm and repeat where needed. That's all it takes to make your columns wider in Canva and give your design the breathing room it deserves. And that's it for this one. With just a quick drag, your tables become easier to read, more professional, and far more user-friendly. If this tip helped you, give the video a quick like. It really supports the channel. And if you're building a Shopify store or creating designs regularly, be sure to subscribe for more simple, practical Canva tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.